She tried to throw hook, but that goes the left hook. Like you tell her, and she missed the right hand, but
Esa fue buena.
and you see both girls landing there.
Nada,
Make
eso la
that
cogió
good left
bien.
hand, right hook.
Ese cabrón la cogió
La
bien.
centralizó bien.
Sí.
Well, Ross, MMA trainer for Katie Taylor, agreeing with us, and we talked about it. He wants her to reset. He wants her to clinch, not to get in the firefight, not to square up, not to stay in front of her.
Ya no tiene nada que perder, lo que tiene que subir ahí mismo.
Y mira,